Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato onion soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, 2 large onions, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Don't forget 4 cups of vegetable broth, a teaspoon of sugar, and fresh herbs like basil or thyme. These simple components will form the delicious base of our comforting soup, ensuring a rich and satisfying flavor profile for everyone to enjoy. Now, let's build the foundational flavors of our soup. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot. Add your chopped onions and sauté them for about 8 to 10 minutes until they become wonderfully soft and translucent. Next, stir in the diced tomatoes, a teaspoon of sugar, and a dash of salt and pepper. Finally, pour in 4 cups of vegetable broth, bringing everything to a gentle simmer for 20 minutes. To achieve that wonderfully smooth and creamy texture, carefully transfer your hot soup mixture to a blender. Alternatively, an immersion blender works perfectly right in the pot. Blend until the soup is completely smooth, ensuring no large chunks remain. Return the velvety soup to the pot and reheat it gently over low heat. This is the perfect moment to taste and adjust the seasonings, adding a little more salt, pepper, or even a touch more sugar to your preference. Your delicious tomato onion soup is now ready to be enjoyed. Ladle the warm, aromatic soup into individual serving bowls. For a beautiful finish, garnish with fresh basil leaves, a delicate swirl of cream, or some crunchy homemade croutons. This comforting soup pairs wonderfully with a slice of crusty bread or a classic grilled cheese sandwich. Savor the rich, homemade flavors you've created. It's truly a delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.